How to fix fantasy Premier League glitch. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, what you can do is simply open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Fantasy Premier League server status and make sure that the server is working perfectly, and if not, then you can simply wait for the server to work, as sometimes the issue is on the FPL side, especially after game updates, price changes, or before the game week deadline. So if the server are down, you'll need to wait until the issue is resolved. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then on your home screen, swipe up on FPL and then force quit FPL along with all the apps running in the background, and this will refresh the app and often fix temporary glitches. If that does not help you and fix your issue too, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can clear temporary system issues affecting the app. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then go ahead and open App Store on your device. Here, tap on the search bar and search for FPL and make sure that the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app and see if that helps you in fixing your issue, as updates frequently fix bugs and improve stability. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is network related. Also, if you were connected to any kind of VPN services, then you might need to simply disable the VPN, as sometimes the VPN could be the issue. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply tap on General in Settings itself and then on iPhone Storage. Here, go ahead and scroll down and navigate to FPL and tap on it, and then further offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will free up storage used by the app, and see if that helps. If not, then you can also simply try to delete the PL application from your device completely and then reinstall it from your app store and see if that helps. If not, then you can also contact the support team, or you can use the web version of Fantasy Premier League for the time being. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Fantasy Premier League glitch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.